This demo is going to talk about tickets in pickup, tickets that need to be picked up or have been picked up, along with payments and how to release or have somebody pick up a item without paying, and finally to see how what money is due to you from unpaid tickets. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is go to the pickup area with the pickup shortcut. Okay, this is where the tickets that are closed and ready to be paid and are ready to be picked up are listed. You can see that the little pickup icon is on the far left, indicating it's in the pickup area. I'm only going to focus on the first two tickets. Notice that the top ticket with Barry Rote, he has a closed ready for payment ticket. He has not paid. And the second ticket with Jimmy John's, he has paid, but he hasn't picked it up. So now let's pretend that Jimmy John's has come into your store and is ready to pick up his gear. So let's see how that works. Since he's already paid, the only thing I need to do is set the ticket as picked up. I can do that real quickly with the handy dandy drop down. The set picked up is right there at the top, so I'll just click it. Okay, now this ticket has been paid and picked up. You can print out a ticket for Jimmy John at this time if you want, but let's just view the ticket and see what it looks like. Notice the picked up icon on the far right with the checkbox, meaning it has been picked up, and if it has been picked up, it shows the date it was picked up. Now I'm going to scroll down just a bit, and if I choose to print this ticket, notice that the icons don't show up on the printout and that he owes a zero balance. Perfect. So I'm just going to close this out and then go back to the pickup area. Okay, notice that Jimmy John's ticket is now gone because it has been paid and picked up, so it's no longer in the pickup list. Now let's take a look at this ticket from Barry Rote. First, let's see what it looks like when we view the ticket. Notice that since this ticket is in pickup, it shows the little pickup along with the ready below it. It has not been picked up with the little checkbox next to the pickup. I just wanted to point that out. Now let's go back to the pickup list. Okay, even though Barry Rote has not paid, let's say you're going to allow him to pick up the gear anyway and he owes you the money. So what do we need to do? We need to set it as picked up. Let's do that. Okay, the ticket has been picked up, but it has not been paid. Let's go ahead and view this ticket. As you can see by the icon, it has been picked up and the date is shown. Now I'm going to scroll down and we see that there's still $100 owed, but we let him pick it up anyways. Now I'm going to scroll back up and go back to the pickup list. And now both tickets that we were focusing on are gone because neither one of them is in the pickup area. They both have been picked up. But, there's still money owed to us, so how can we see this money? The easiest way is to use the ticket search, so let's go there. I'm going to scroll down just a bit. I'm going to use the ticket status to choose all tickets that are closed but haven't been paid. There's the status I'm looking for, and if I wanted to, I could put additional date options in to limit my scope to show me the people who owe money this month, show me the people who owed me money last month. That's all up to you. I'm not going to set any date limits, and I'm just going to click submit to get my tickets. Okay, so here's all the tickets that people owe money on, but the top one there, the Barry Rote ticket, he picked up the ticket, he picked up the gear, but he hasn't paid. So what we can do here is we can create a statement if we want. Let's see how we do that. Here's the selection I'm looking for, create statement. I'll click it. A new window pops up and I can change the way the statement is created. One of the things I'm going to do right off is I'm going to select all closed tickets. There it is. I'm also going to push the date back way far, like before RepairTRAX was even born. Okay, so this should give me every single ticket from the time of birth till the date shown here on the suggested end date, which is today, the day I made this demo tape. Okay, a pop-up there shows up with a statement, and it says that Barry Rote owes me $100. So I could send this statement out or print out his ticket, however I want to process it. Now I'm going to close out this window. Another way to see who owes you money is to export it all tickets that haven't been paid to Excel. Then you can just print out the Excel sheet and go down the list. Let's see how we do that. It's basically the same ticket search we did before, but we choose an output option. So here we go. Okay, right here I can change the output option. I'm going to choose the CSV, comma separated values, which is basically an Excel sheet. And I'm also going to tag the file name. There's that Excel sheet option. And right here is where I can put a tag word like, I'm going to use my money. And then click Submit to generate the Excel file. Notice the tag My Money. You can right-click on this file and save it to your disk and print it out and get to work. There's one more way that you can see what customers owe you what by using the Customer section, so let's go there. From the main menu, I'm going to choose Customers. And then I'm going to go to a specific tag where I know I exist. I am a customer in this demo store. I'm going to scroll down just a bit. Okay, here I am. I'm going to go ahead and create a statement for me. Okay, let's see how we do that. Yep, we use the trusty drop-down. And select Create Statement. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to push the date back. I'm going to say Show me all transactions. Okay, here's the statement for me. I'm going to scroll down and see the bottom line. Well, looky there. I'm paid in full. I'm a great customer. I could print this out or whatever, but I'm just going to close it. Okay, the final section of this demo is for those of you who do not use RepairTRAX to actually record transactions. It's a system admin setting that basically says we don't use RepairTRAX to record payments. And in other words, you can mark all your tickets as picked up, but you never really mark them as paid. I'm going to show you a fast way to mark them as paid, and you should do this because reports and other things are based upon the success of payment. So here we go. First I got to scroll up, and then I'm basically going to search for all closed but unpaid tickets, and then I'm going to mark a whole bunch of them all at once and set them as paid all at once. Let's see how to do that. All of this should look very familiar, so I'm just going to click. Okay, by using the check boxes on the very far left, I can select one or more tickets and perform an action on them. The action I'm going to do here is just set final payment. What it does is it just looks at the total amount of the ticket and says, yeah, they paid it. And the only reason you're doing this is for reports and stuff. You don't really collect money through RepairTRAX, but it helps you with reports. Okay, I have 3 selected, so now I'm going to set all 3 of these as paid with one fell swoop. Here we go. Final payment, that's what I'm looking for. When I choose this option, notice the multiple tickets will be processed warning. Just, note to self. And in addition, I can also set whether or not the tickets were picked up or picked up pending. It's all up to you and how you want to work your business. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks for choosing RepairTRAX.